Welcome to my channel, and here I'm going to show you how to draw an oblique cuboid. How to draw an oblique cuboid, and the length of the cuboid is 6 centimeters, that is 60 millimeters, and the width of the cuboid is 4 centimeters, which is also the same as 40 millimeters, while the height of the cuboid is 3 centimeters, which is also equal to 30 millimeters. So let's see how the construction can be done. It's very simple. Just follow my instruction and you'll find it easy. So the first thing that we are going to do is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 60 millimeters on this line. Don't forget that we are drawing an oblique cuboid. We are drawing an oblique cuboid. So of length 6 centimeters or 60 millimeters. So from this point 0, so put a mark on the line, and then you move to 6. So you put a mark. So this is 6 centimeters. So I'm going to label this point. So this point, I will call this point, this is point O, and this is point A. Okay. Then the next thing that we are going to do is that we take our 45-degree set square, because the receding line of an oblique object is always at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So that's why we are using this 45-degree set square. Okay, so we set the set square like this on our ruler or on T-square at point O. Then you draw a line from point O towards this side. Okay, then on this line we take the measurement of the width of the cuboid, which is 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. So this is it. So this is 4 is at this point O here. Then where we have 0 at this point, I'm going to put a mark on this line, and I'm going to call this point, I will call it point B. So this is point B. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is also simple. Everything about this construction is simple. So next thing that we are going to do is that you take your set square like this, the same 45-degree set square. Okay, so take it like this, and then draw a vertical line at point A, a vertical line of any length at point A. Then slide it to point O here. Draw a vertical line. Then you slide it to point B, and you draw a vertical line like this. Alright, then the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to take the height of the oblique cuboid, which I said it is 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. So now let's take the height of the cuboid. So we put a ruler at this point. Okay, so put the ruler at this point, and 0 is at point A. So we take 3 centimeters up. So this is 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. Then you can do the same thing at this point. So from O up, take 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. And from B up, so you take 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. So what we need to do now is that, so we are going to label this point. So this point is point C for me. So this is point C. So this is point D, and then this is point E. Alright, so we are going to join DE together with horizontal line. So this face is just this face here, just a like normal rectangle. So join DE together with a straight line like this with horizontal line. Okay, then you have to join CD together with the 45-degree set square. Set the 45-degree set square on the T-square or ruler like this. Okay, then draw this line from here to meet point C. Okay, so we have done that. So the next thing that we are going to do is that, so we take our set square, set it at point E. So let it be on the T-square and bring it to point E like this. Then you draw a line to this end. Okay, then since we have gotten this point here, point C here, so all we need to do is to bring this square to this point. and then we draw horizontal line. So to meet this line at this point, so this point will be point F. So we have completed the oblique cuboid. So what we need to do now is that we need to outline the edges. So we make this line a thick line for it to be more visible. Also this line, we make it a thick line for us to be able to see it clearly. Then this line BC also, we make it a thick line. Okay, then the horizontal line that we have here, this horizontal line OA, so make it a thick line. Then horizontal line DE, we also make it a thick line. And then horizontal line CF, so make it a thick line. Okay, and then so this receding line OB, so we also make it a thick line. And then we also have receding line CD, we make it a thick line. And lastly, receding line EF, so we make it a thick line like this. So we have drawn this oblique cube. It's as cuboid. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Just follow my instruction. This construction is very, very simple. God bless you.